Imagine driving down a winding road, the sun setting on the horizon, and your car is whisper quiet. Is it an electric SUV or a roaring gas guzzler? This scenario raises an important question. What does the future hold for SUVs? Will they be electric or gas? As we dive into this topic, we'll explore the evolving landscape of SUVs, comparing electric and gas models, and uncovering what might be lurking just around the corner. Let's start with the basics. SUVs have become a popular choice for many drivers. They offer space, comfort, and a commanding view of the road. But as concerns about climate change and fuel efficiency grow, a shift is happening. Electric SUVs are rising in popularity, promising to reduce our carbon footprint. But how do they really stack up against their gas-powered counterparts? One of the first things to consider is what drives our choices. Gas-powered SUVs have been the traditional favorite for years. They deliver power and performance, especially when it comes to towing and off-road capabilities. Many drivers love the roar of a powerful engine. But here's a surprising fact. Electric SUVs are catching up fast. With instant torque, they can actually accelerate quicker than some gas models. Imagine merging onto the highway with a silent but swift electric SUV. Pretty exciting, right? Now, let's talk about the cost. Electric vehicles, EVs, often have a higher upfront price tag. However, it's crucial to look at the bigger picture. EVs can be cheaper to maintain and fuel. With fewer moving parts, they require less frequent service. Plus, charging an electric SUV can be significantly less expensive than filling up a gas tank. Have you ever thought about how much money you could save? It's a game changer. But what about charging? Many people worry about running out of battery on a long trip. This is a valid concern, but the charging infrastructure is rapidly improving. More charging stations are popping up across the country, making it easier to find a power source. Some electric SUVs even offer over 300 miles of range on a single charge. That's more than enough for most daily drives. Wouldn't it be nice to skip those gas station stops? As we consider the environment, it's clear that electric SUVs have a significant advantage. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means cleaner air for everyone. This is important as cities around the world struggle with pollution. Did you know that switching to electric vehicles could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by millions of tons? Just imagine driving a vehicle that's not only good for you, but also for the planet. However, gas-powered SUVs still have their perks. They often have longer range capabilities, especially for those who enjoy road trips or live in areas with fewer charging stations. Plus, the refueling process is quick and convenient. You can fill up your tank in just a few minutes, whereas charging can take longer. But here's a thought. As technology improves, how much longer will charging really take? Manufacturers are investing heavily in electric technology. Major brands are rolling out new electric SUV models at a rapid pace. Tesla has set the standard with its innovative designs and impressive range. Other automakers like Ford, Volkswagen, and Hyundai are joining the race, offering exciting electric options that cater to various budgets. This competition is driving innovation and pushing the boundaries of what electric SUVs can do. Isn't it thrilling to think about how much choice we'll have in the near future? Let's not forget about the driving experience. Electric SUVs are often quieter and smoother, providing a different kind of ride quality. Imagine gliding over the road with minimal noise, enjoying a serene drive without the constant hum of an engine. For many, this is a refreshing change. But will it be enough to sway those who love the feel of traditional gas engines? As we look into the future, the question remains, will electric SUVs completely take over? While the trend is certainly leaning towards electrification, gas-powered SUVs aren't going away just yet. Many consumers still appreciate the range and performance of gas engines, especially in regions where charging infrastructure is lacking. It's essential to recognize that both types of vehicles can coexist, catering to different preferences and needs. Now, let's talk about what you can do. As a potential car buyer, it's crucial to stay informed. Research your options. test drive different models, and consider what matters most to you. Are you looking for performance, environmental impact, or cost savings? Your choice can make a difference. And hey, if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the automotive world. In conclusion, the future of SUVs is a fascinating blend of electric and gas options. Electric SUVs are making strides in technology, cost efficiency, and environmental impact, while gas-powered models still offer reliability and performance. As consumers, we have the power to shape this future with our choices. So, which side will you choose? Will you embrace the electric revolution or stick with the tried and true gas engines? The decision is yours, and it could have a significant impact on the road ahead. As we wrap up, remember that this is just the beginning of an exciting journey in the automotive world. The evolution of SUVs is far from over, and we can't wait to see where it leads. What do you think about the future of SUVs? Share your thoughts in the comments below.